Used to have IDE, looks like it was installed in the 80s. I was expecting something much newer from this building. It said it was installed in 2005, but it looks like it was modernized. It looks like it was actually modernized in 2005, not installed in 2005. It was installed in the 80s by the logo. Capacity's 3,000 pounds, it's hydraulic. And if you actually look at the building on Google Earth, you can very clearly see where the elevator shaft is. And you can see that it very obviously could have been made scenic. So I'm not sure why they didn't. Because this university tends to make scenic elevators when they can. That'll be it for that.